In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Bank of China account online in the UK. Whether you're looking for everyday banking, managing your finances in Chinese yuan, or setting up a student account, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Bank of China UK website. To do that, simply open your web browser and enter the URL www.bankofchina.com/UK. This will take you to their main webpage, where you'll find all the information you need about the various accounts they offer and the services they provide. Once you're on the website, the next thing you need to do is choose the type of account that best suits your needs. The Bank of China offers several options, including a personal current account for your everyday banking needs, an RMB account for those who need to manage finances in Chinese yuan, and a student account, which is perfect for university students. Take a moment to consider which option aligns most closely with your financial requirements. After selecting the account type, it's time to download the application form. You'll find this form under the respective account type you've chosen on the website. Print out the application form and carefully fill in all the required information. Make sure you complete it accurately to avoid any delays in processing your application. The next crucial step involves gathering the necessary documents. You'll need to provide proof of identification and proof of address. For ID, you can use either your passport or a UK driving license. As for proof of address, a recent utility bill or bank statement dated within the last 3 months will suffice. These documents are essential, so be sure to have them ready. Now you need to book an appointment with a Bank of China branch. It's important to note that you must visit a branch in person to open your account. For example, you might choose to visit the London City branch. To do this, you can call ahead or send an email to schedule your appointment, ensuring that the branch staff are ready to assist you when you arrive. Once your appointment is set, you'll head to the branch with your completed application form and the necessary documents in hand. Upon arrival, present these to the bank staff. They will review your details and guide you through the final steps required to open your new account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to opening a Bank of China account online while in the UK. Keep this guide handy and you'll find the process smooth and straightforward. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has been helpful.